lifestyle.
DJ touchdown.
Swag up,
And we back.
swag out.
It's the coin toss.
Here we go, lifestyle.
Kick off.
Swag up, swag out, yeah. Swagging on you, fuck ass lames. High mo, high. Swagging on you, fuck ass lames. I gotta thank the Lord cause I've been blessed with select few niggas that gon' hold me down. To the day they hit the grind, never let me fall. Cause we all got a boss that they flexing on y'all. Half a male swag, Momo Rico lifestyle. Disrespect nigga and the world get hostile. Every day you fuck niggas see us ball. Butchin' lane niggas game wait to see us fall. But it won't happen, I'm still trapping, rapping, trying to get a check. And if you try to flex, I quickly send my goons to break your fucking neck. A nigga like me, all about them racks. All day getting legs, trying to make a stack. People wonder how a nigga get it like that. I waste no time and I get no slack. Don't watch my crew and how we move. Nigga, get your own grind and do you fool. My pockets they swellin', my whole clique wildin'. And your bitches say they love our swag. Send low to the earth in the blackjack. In South Park, they the catchin' out the bands. Your girl wanna do me with no hands. She say she love me and she swear I'm the man. Momo Rico lifestyle. Swag up, swag out. Momo Rico lifestyle. Swag up, swag out, yeah. Swagging on you, fuck ass lames. Swagging on you, fuck ass lames. They say I'm a fool with the way I do my thing. Pretty boy swag, but I still bust a brain. If a nigga gon' hate, then a nigga gon' hate. Let the pussy gon' talk, but they won't pussy go. Homie just mad cause his bitch on my dick. And his baby mama got a lips on my stick. Homie don't do it, come and click too thick.